This is a Portuguese-style microwave turkey breast for 4 servings. Total time about 35 minutes. Quick, bright, and full of lemon and garlic flavor. Ingredients first. 1 3/4 pounds boneless turkey breast, about 800 grams. 3 tablespoons of olive oil, about 45 milliliters. 1 lemon, you will use the zest and the juice. 3 cloves of garlic, crushed. 1 teaspoon of piri-piri for a gentle kick. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme leaves, chopped. 1/3 cup of white wine, about 80 milliliters. 1 bay leaf. 2 tablespoons of butter, about 30 grams. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Rinse the turkey breast and pat it dry with paper towels. Cut the turkey into 4 even portions about 1 inch thick so they cook evenly. Zest the lemon first, then cut it in half and squeeze the juice into a small bowl. Peel and crush the 3 cloves of garlic and chop 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme leaves. Place them with the lemon zest. In a bowl mix 3 tablespoons of olive oil, the lemon juice, the crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped thyme, 1 teaspoon of piri-piri, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/3 cup of white wine. Add the bay leaf to the marinade and stir. Drop in 2 tablespoons of butter and stir until partly melted into the mixture. Place the turkey portions in a shallow microwave-safe dish in a single layer. Pour the marinade over the turkey and turn each piece to coat evenly. Cover the dish loosely with a microwave-safe lid or vented plastic wrap so steam can escape. Marinate at room temperature for 15 minutes. Place the covered dish in the microwave and cook on high power for 8 minutes. Use the center of the microwave for even cooking. After the 8 minutes, let the dish rest in the microwave for 5 minutes without opening the door to allow carryover cooking. Open the microwave and check the internal temperature with a thermometer. The turkey should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 74 degrees Celsius. If it is below that, continue cooking at 50% power in 2-minute increments until it reaches the target. If you needed extra cooking, after each 2-minute addition let the turkey rest 1 minute and check again until it reaches the correct temperature. When the turkey is cooked, remove the bay leaf and tilt the dish to collect the pan juices into a small microwave-safe bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil if needed and melt for 30 seconds to integrate the butter into a glossy sauce. Transfer the turkey portions to a cutting board and slice against the grain into thin slices. Arrange the slices on the serving plate and spoon the warm sauce over the top. Garnish with lemon wedges and a sprig of thyme and serve immediately. Enjoy your Portuguese-style microwave turkey. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more recipes. Thank you. This Portuguese-style microwave turkey serves 4 and takes about 35 minutes from start to finish. Try it for a quick family dinner. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more quick recipes.